What's up, you all? It's another Eats Log, and this is the afternoon. This morning I was at another Eats Log at Kim Chow's Deli Limited. I got 3 of the sandwiches there. It was a bust. And then I'm right here with another Eats Log. Oh, it's a double header. And man, I couldn't wait to get home. My car was smelling good. It was smelling real good. I almost thought, maybe I should just stop on the side of the highway here and just eat the food. But you know, I gotta get on another Eats Log, so here we go. First place, we got Dosa Factory. It was actually right near Kim Chow's. Down the street, on the same block, there's a place called Dosa House. But apparently, what I read from the comments is that they had a falling out with the employees, and employees just went a couple doors down and just created their own place called Dosa Factory. And the Monday special, $6.95 for dosa and dessert. Unbelievable, unbelievable. Because you know, when you get a lamb vindaloo dosa like I did, or the fish dosa, it's gonna be 13, 14 bucks. So $7 for the dosa, and you get a dessert. I was gonna get on that. And then they also had the jaloob, or they had a whole bunch of desserts, but I got the jalab jamun. I hope I'm saying it right. Gulab jamun. So the dosas were huge. They were like I don't know, like 20 inches long. And I wanted to sit down in the restaurant, but you know, they were really understaffed. And I feel really sad. I feel really bad actually for the server and the waiter. Well, the waiter had to do 3 things. He had to wait, he had to get the to-go orders, he had to do the payment, he had to take orders. And then we had one younger woman that was cleaning the tables and seating people. They got to a point where they just had said, you know, just say whatever you want, and oh, I'll take your order, with no order or no line of people. Everybody's just sitting at a table, and whoever, it's kind of like a free-for-all. Confusing free-for-all. So I sat there, you know, for a good 10-15 minutes, and I got up and I just went to get the to-go order. So I highly recommend just get the to-go order. They're really busy. They can't help it. That's how they keep the prices low, and I'm all about that. Low prices, good meal. I don't care about the service. Service is secondary to the food and taste. So here's the big dosa. They crammed it, 20-inch dosa. It's too bad I couldn't get an Eats Log at the restaurant, but you know, you gotta make do. Big dosa. You know, I came back because I didn't know how long they're gonna take, considering how many people were there. Probably 15 people. They could probably seat 30, but they were really understaffed. So I went somewhere else to get food, and I'll talk about it in a little bit. Oh, I'll talk about it now because you're probably curious. I went over to Ken's Kitchen. It's really like family-run kitchen. Looks like a cafeteria. Also really cheap food. And man, what a value. This thing is like a brick. It's a brick for $7. It's steamed rice with 2 entrees on the top. $7. I don't think they charge GST on top. Dosa Factory does, but they take Amex. Not too bad. And then, you know, they only take cash over here, but it's so cheap. You know, that's how they make do. Tax evasion or whatever, who cares? I told you, taste and value. That's what matters. All right, who cares about the service? Because you're definitely not gonna get service at Ken's Kitchen. It's comfort food, Cantonese comfort food, with the Cantonese service, where they don't give a crap. They said, hurry up, what you want. They don't follow their menu items, and they're in a hurry to get the people, you know, get their food and get out of the line. Because there was a line there. I went at, let's say, 2 p.m. and there was still a line out the door. Of course, you know, with the restrictions going on, people can't like crowd inside, so there's probably a good 6 people inside, maybe 5, excluding the servers, and then there was probably a good 4 or 5 more standing outside, and I stand behind there. It probably take 10-15 minutes to get inside, and then another 5 minutes to get my order. And they just scoop it out of the containers and put it on top. So here's what I got. Here's the dosa. It's a huge box because they had to fit a 20-inch dosa in there. It's getting a little soggy because I did not show up fast enough. We got some white sauce here. I don't know what that is. It smells really good. It smells like almost like desserty, like sweet. It's kind of a creamy texture with some black and brown spices in there. Here's the, I think this is a dessert, gulab jamun. It's like a donut hole, looks like, with very sugary sweet liquid around it. It's like palm sugar almost. And then here's the dosa sauce, huge sauce. Smells really savory. A lot of spices. Basically a curry. And then this almost smells like a tomato pizza paste. Alright? And I got the lamb dosa. Lamb vindaloo dosa. Which is the tangy, spicy dosa that's normally 13 bucks. I didn't feel like fish. But fish is the most value, I would think. Kind of scared about getting fish at a cheaper restaurant. You don't know if it's fresh. Alright, first bite of the Dosa Factory. There's a reason my car was smelling really good down the highway. And it was the Dosa Factory. My god, that lamb is really chewy and really tender. There's like some chewy bits and then some tender spots. And then we got like a potato in there, like curry mix. That's potato sack. Let's get some of the pizza-like sauce. Oh man, that's just good. It's just real good. You kidding me? $7? No way. No way. Maybe I'll go back this evening because I can't wait another week to get this Factory. The server was young and the waitress was young, both Indian. They're really nice. They're so busy. They're a little passive, you know. I think some people would complain to them. And they're just really nice people and they can't help it, so. Kudos to them. $7? That's unbelievable. My god, that lamb is good. Alright, let's try some of the other sauces. It's really filled up, this dosa. Alright. Here's the white sauce. It's more creamier and thicker. It almost smells sweet. Got a really grainy texture to it. Almost coconutty. I think it's like pureed coconut. That's probably what it is. That's why I thought it smelled sweet, because it's a pureed coconut with some black peppercorn, looks like. But maybe they're not peppercorns because I don't really taste that much pepper. That's really good. Alright. I forgot if I did the dosa sauce, but let's just do it real quick. It's like curry tasting. Yeah, that's just spicy. That's your pretty spicy. They did say it's spicy and tangy, but like a standard curry sauce. Alright, and then let's try the gulab jamun. This says it was worth, it said it was $4, but I don't, you know, it's probably not worth it. Oh, this might just be the dessert. So maybe they didn't give me my jalap galloon. I don't see it. You know, we had a misunderstanding. So I thought you order a dessert you order one dosa and one dessert and you get it for $7. But the thing is, you order the Monday special. You choose any of the dosas, and they give you a dessert that they already have part of the special menu. You don't choose a dessert. Super sweet donut hole. What else can I say? It goes pretty well with the spiciness and tanginess of everything else. Alright, let's move on to Ken's Kitchen. Ken's Kitchen, I can't believe what a brick they gave you for $7. Cash only, GST included. I don't know what I got because you can't be picky. They have an extensive menu, as you can see here. I'll post it up. They got like 30, 40 dishes. And none of it's labeled at the cafeteria buffet trays. You just point at what you want. You can kind of ask, like there's one thing I definitely wanted was the honey garlic ribs, spare ribs. And she knew what I was talking about. But you know, a lot of them didn't speak very good English, so they're like, huh? What did you say? You gotta speak loud and wear your mask. It doesn't help with the loud environment there. And the guys in the back are just cooking constantly with huge woks. You know it's like authentic. So I got 2 entrees in here. Honestly, don't know what they are. One looks like a pork with vegetables. And another one looks like sweet and sour pork or chicken with onion and red pepper. They put a lot of rice. I had the woman that was a little less caring, and she put a lot of rice underneath so you don't get as much entree. But I saw another woman, she was a lot nicer, and she just piled on the entree on a medium bed of rice. So it's gonna be inconsistent, but who really cares when it's $6.95? $6.95, under $7. Here we go, first bite. Nice and warm. Glutinous. I think that's sweet and sour pork. The rice. Yeah, it's fluffy. It's not dry like I thought it was gonna be. You know, they have a high turnover rate of food. They keep filling up the trays and the rice, and it's really good. It's fresh. All those special combos were different pricing depending on your base. Rice was $6.95. I think it steps up to like a fried noodle or yakisoba noodle, which is another $1 above that, 7 or 8. And then you got like rice noodle above that, that might be 9, it may be $8.50 or $9.50. But it steps up 50 cents or $1 each time. So I don't mind just getting the steamed rice just for the entrees. I think they had fried rice up there, which was the highest price, or maybe rice noodle was. I'll show you the menu. Here you go. All right, tastes like good old comfort food, Chinese food. Not too special, but still freaking tasty. So it has some of the pork with the onion and vegetables here. Glutinous again. Very flavorful. The meat's not too fatty like you would think at a cheaper place. It's just like lean meat. Even though they put rice for the whole container, the entree presses it down. And they fill it up and they try to press the lid down into it like crazy. So you're gonna get good value no matter what. Alright, I got 2 of them. So that's another $7. I told you it was gonna be a double header. Okay, so on the right here, garlic, honey, spare rib. On the left, it looks like chicken with the bone in, like barbecue flavor or something like that. Some bell pepper. Let's try the garlic honey rib. Spare ribs. Not very strong on the garlic, but you can taste some garlic, and really sweet on the honey. Medium sweet. Alright, let's go to the chicken. It's like a chicken wing. It's got like barbecue Thai spice on it. It's just easy to eat, super tender. Finger looking good. All these foods approved. This doubleheader was a success, man. This morning I was so disappointed. Kim Chow's, don't go there for any of the banh mi's. Terrible, very cold. But this East Log, some of the best value. I'll be coming back here again, honestly. And I'm definitely gonna get the Monday dosa. Might even get it tonight because they close at 3 a.m. Can you believe that? 3 a.m. You get dosa all day. I could hang out there all day with my friends. That'd be the best day ever. All right, so if you like this video, please give me a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And we'll have another Eats Vlog very soon. All right, see you later. Bye.